Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be taking you guys along with me on a color run. Now, I have a client this week on Thursday. So we have two different formulas that we're working with. We are going to be doing the cherry cola. I'll put up some inspo up here for you guys. It's the new trend for this fall. What I'm gonna do is go into my studio, because I kind of forgot to do this before I got into the car. I'm gonna go into my studio and I'm gonna see what developers I have for each line, just in case I pick up from a different line, because I typically use Matrix. I love Matrix, but there is this L'Oreal Anoa formula that I've been looking at, and the Schwarzkopf formula, and so I want to make sure that I'm not over buying the products that I need, if you know what I'm talking about. So let's go to my studio. And you know, we're in fall wear today. These are my nails, guys. Look at all the fall leaves, like so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. So let's go. If you haven't been in here before, this is my home studio. It is on the outside of my home, but it's my home studio. And these are where I have all my colors. And I just want to take a video of what I have. So I have L'Oreal, Wella, Shades EQ, Wella. We have Matrix, enough of Matrix 30 volume. Oh, okay. Oh, but we have enough Matrix, 2 bottles of Matrix, a 10 roll of Matrix, some Paul Bryant, Blonde Me, and one. We won't be needing any bleach for this go round. But yeah, guys, this is my studio. Pretty cute, pretty cute. And this is the outfit of the day. Our bump is bumping today. We have 21 weeks as of yesterday. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so let's get to it. I don't know how other people feel about caffeine intake while they're pregnant, but I still participate in drinking caffeine. This is a tall. I would typically do a grande or a venti, but just, you know, tall blonde. And I know blonde is a little bit higher in caffeine milligrams than, what are they called? Than like the regular roast, but I just love it better. There's like no syrup in it, guys. Maybe it does. Maybe it's at the bottom. I don't know. But we are gonna get into the store. This bag definitely does not match this outfit today, but it's fine. It's fine. Do we have our work card? Yes, we do. Going with my Summer Fridays. We find what we're looking for. And honestly, guys, I'm overly dressed. I thought it was cold this morning, and I'm wearing sandals. That's all that's saving me right now, because I'm burning up so bad, but it's fine. Let's go. Good, how are you? So I wasn't able to get all that I needed, so I'm gonna have to go to that other store. Hopefully traffic isn't terribly good, but once again, I did not bring a bag, and I have like 20,000 at home, but I'm missing one more color for this formula. Hopefully we get it, and if not, I'm gonna have to go to another store and try out a different formula. So let's go. So we're here, second location. Hopefully we have some luck. I really like this location better than the first location because I feel like this has a lot more space. It has a lot more space. What I don't like about it is that it's really hard to get out of this parking lot, and I always have to make U-turns, and that's what I don't like. But the location is better than the first one. The first one I feel like it's really cramped. Like you probably have like 2 feet to walk around the other one, but it's fine. We're gonna get it. We have to get to work eventually today, so now I can taste. It's so good. Okay, guys, let's go. Finally have what we need, and it's time to head back. We have all this lunchtime traffic, but there will be a part 2 of this video in a few days, and I will show you guys what the results are. Guys, so we are back with part 2 of this video. So we are going to get our bow situation ready. With a pink bowl. We're going to do this one. We are going to have our caps so we can get this processing. We'll get 2 just in case. You never know. We gotta get our stand ready. Yep, let's get our stand ready.